formula for the mean of a probability distribution is mu equals the sum of x p of x. I'll demonstrate calculating it using this sample of households who were asked, how many TVs do you own? In 23 of the households, they owned no televisions. Now, in order to get that probability, we're going to want to divide 23 out of the total number of households. So what's the total? Just add them all up. It's 2,587. Okay. So the empirical probability is 0.0089. Okay. Those that said one television have a probability of 0.17. $709. Those that said two televisions was 721 out of 2587. Probability of 0.2787. And 1401 of the households said three televisions. %. Okay, now that we have the probability distribution made, we need another column for the sum of x, p of x. And first, let's just find the xp of x values. And then at the bottom, we'll actually add them up. Okay, so 0 times 0.0089 makes 0. 1 times that makes 0.1709. 2 times 0.2787 makes 0.5574. And then we get 1.6248. All we want to do now is just sum that column. It's a weighted average, basically. And that is going to be the mean. Oops. So on average, the typical household has about 2 TVs in it. And there's just one more question here. Events which have a probability less than 5% are considered unusual. Is it unusual for a household to have no televisions? So the probability that x equals 0 was approximately 0.0089. Now, since that is less than 5%, yes, 0 TVs is unusual. 3 is not, though, because that probability is 54%, much higher than 5.